Okay guys, so right now I'm a fan of Why Don't We, and Zach is one of them, and basically, yeah. So I came across this when looking at some of their music. Zach Imagine Part 1, so I'm guessing there's other parts to it. I'm going to react to probably a bit of it, and then I'm going to react to the end of it and some of the next one. I don't know how many there are, so should we just get watching it? This is you, you're 16, and you live with your dad who abused you, so you moved out, but by your mom who left you when you were young. This is gonna be sad anyways. So you get on a flight and you see your mom, and you both burst out crying, and your mom apologizes for leaving you, and you forgive her.
Do you hear me?
Your mom: sweetie, I love you so much. I'm so sorry I left you. Rena: it's okay, Mom. Thank you for letting me live with you. Your mom: of course, and sweetie, we live by an adorable girl named Reese and a boy about your stepsister's age. Rena: Mom, you're married? Your mom: I'm sorry. Rena: that's great, Mom. I'm so happy for you. I'm just going to say "aw," but you can say on the screen, so I'm just going to say what they say. And there's a pretty cute guy named Zach. Mom: really? You both laugh. Okay. You both get home and see the cute guy. Smiles and comes over to you. Hi, I'm Zachary, but call me Zach. Okay, I'm Rena, and I'm 16. Oh my god, same? Cool. If you want, I can give you a ride to school. If you don't mind me picking up 5 of my friends. Thank you, Zach. He says smiles because they didn't do that weird star thing. This is Reese and Ryan. Sorry if I'm pronouncing the names wrong. Hi Reese, hi Ryan. They both say hi. Zach and you should date. You and Zach laugh. Come on, Rena, dinner, and come meet your stepsister and dad. Bye, guys. Bye. This is your stepsister. People can shut up upstairs, please. This is your stepsister, and you guys get along right away. Her name is Samantha, but she likes to get called Sam or Sammy. Gone on full screen. What did I just do? Okay. Zach tells his mom. Wait, I accidentally played it. Zach tells his mom this. Mom, what? You know the girl who moved in with Miss and Mrs. I don't know what that means, but okay. Yeah, why? She's really cute and I really like her. Oh, Zach, wait. Mom, don't make a big deal of it, please, okay? Hey, Rena. Yes, Sammy? You know Zach's brother, Ryan? Yes, why? I like him a lot. I like Zach. Oh my god, double dates. You both laugh. Your stepdad comes in. Your mom and stepdad comes in. What's so funny? Nothing. Nothing. Okay. Then your mom says, girl things. Let's show her her room and my room. Okay. Also, if you want to know, I turn off the music. This is Sammy's room. She's a bit more girly than you. But you still like her. But you still love her style. That's your room and you love it. And you hug your mum, Sammy and stepdad. How do they get done that quick? So you all go out for pizza and run into the herons. So you all decide to eat together. You, Zach, Ryan, and Sammy are talking in a group while the adults talk and have a Reese. Zach gives you his number and smiles so big, but before you can look stupid, Sammy pulls you into the bathroom and calms you down. After you and Sammy get out of the bathroom, everyone says their goodbyes. We'll be back in a minute, guys. So when you get in bed, you text Zach, and the message goes like, "Hello, you gonna load? Hey Zach, it's me, Rena. Oh hi, I was wondering. Hi, heart. I'm getting good already. I was wondering if you can hang out this weekend. I might be able to. I will talk to my mom, KK, and maybe you can meet my 4 best friends and I can show you around. That would be great. Thank you so much. You're welcome." You were so excited, but you didn't want to wake up Sammy, so you put your phone away and fell asleep. It's 6 a.m. 6 a.m. First, you shower. Second, you do your makeup. Third, you do your hair. Fourth, you get dressed. That took you about an hour. Ooh, that's actually a really cute hairstyle. A really cute outfit and a really cute makeup. So it's cute. Oh, Sammy's outfit's also cute. Like them shorts. That top, that's really cute. Them shoes are cute. Don't really like the hair, but okay. Zach's outfit. Very plain, very simple, very simple. Zach comes and picked up you and Sammy with the boys in the car. Guys, this was Rena and Sammy. Oh, Zach talks about you all the time. Don't scare her, you dumbo. I'm Corbin, I'm Jack, I'm Dan. Okay, I've forgotten how to pronounce names. I'm just gonna call him Daniel. Because I can. I'm Daniel and I'm Jonah. I'm gonna end this at 10 minutes. You get to school and all 5 of the boys change and look like the average top 5 teenage boys heartthrobs that you would see in a movie. Corbin looked like the hot nerd. Jonah looked like the jock. Daniel looked like the cute, quiet boy, Jack the skater boy, and Zach the stud of the whole group. I will admit, they all look really freaking hot. Thank God you all had first period together. Second period you had with Zach. Third period... Okay. You people can pause to see this right now. I'm just going to let you guys read it now because I'm getting annoying. Oh wait, I want to read this bit out. After school, you see Samantha in tears, so all you run over to her. She has bruises on her arm and a black eye, and a bloody nose. Can't forget about the bloody nose. Then you see your dad, and you fall to the floor and cry. Why are so many people crying? All the boys huddle around you while Ryan supports Sammy. Oh wow, that's just sad. Poor Sammy. Zach hugs you and whispers to you, if he comes near you, I'll kick his ass. Shows Zach all the cuts, scars, bruises, and extra on your arm. Hugs you and walks you home. Sweet. you tell Sammy about what's going on, and she supports you and says, okay, never mind. Okay. But that's not Zach and that's not me. Unless I'm meant to pretend that's Zach. Rena, I have liked, I met you, and no one understands. I think I might be in love with you. Oh, Zachary, I feel the same way. Do you want to be my girlfriend? Zach, I would love to, but Sammy needs me right now, and we just met, and school, but I do love you. Can we wait a little longer? Looks sad and tries not to cry. Oh, that's so sad. Yeah, we can be friends. Kisses Zach and runs away crying. Oh my god, what a dumb move to do. Sammy comes in your room and sees you crying. Are you okay? No, I feel horrible. Zach asked me out and I said no because school, and I feel like you need me to talk to because Ryan. Are you insane? Maybe I am insane. Go back to that park and I'll grow up and talk to Ryan. You'll get... I'm blind. You'll get Ryan, Sammy. Thanks, Rena. I love you so much. I love you too. I'm gonna go talk to Zach. Get it, girl. You've run into Zach's arms crying. I'm so sorry I said no. I love you so much. You mean the world to me. Do I? You mean the world to me. So would you be my girlfriend? Yes, I love you so much. Hugs you and kisses you. Oh God, sweet. Your dad sees you kiss Zach and is furious, but he has to keep his chill before you notice he's there, so he storms off. Ah, my dad's back. Okay. I'm gonna end it here, and I know I've left it on a cliffhanger, but you can read this bit. Okay. Love you all so much. Peace out. See you later. Bye.